Hey everybody, if you have a problem with flies at your house outside, I would recommend you take a look at this. This is a disposable fly trap from Rescue is the name of this one. There's several like this on Amazon. In fact, you can get a 2-pack of these for around maybe $10 or $11 right now. I don't know about prices when you watch this, but not very much at all. We actually got this one from Home Depot for about $5 or so, and we were having some flies. We noticed we were having some flies out on our outside deck. Even a couple flies getting inside the house, which has never really been usually that much of a problem for us. So for whatever reason, we felt like flies are bad this year, and according to some friends, they're also noticing the same thing. So we decided to get this. Pretty simple. You open it up and fill it up about a third or half of the way with water, and that activates just a raunchy smell inside the bag. Open up the little top there, and it's got little holes, and of course the flies go in little holes and they can't get back out. And then they'll fall in that bag. But this thing, it took a while to get going, but now it's in full fly catching mode, and it is pretty gross. We made a mistake, put it on our deck. Don't do that. So we had to move it after a day or two because we realized we were attracting the flies to our deck and we want them away from the deck. So anyway, next time, whenever this one's done, we'll probably even put it farther away in the corner of the yard, because as you can see, I got flies buzzing around my head, and it actually standing right here, I can kind of smell it, the trap. So it does smell bad, and that's what attracts the flies, but it definitely works. So I'll put a link in the description of this video. If you need fly traps, I'll put that link in there on this same brand here, because it for sure works. Also, I may look into making my own. You can make your own with some water bottles or 2-liter bottles. There's several videos I saw on that, so I may try that and see how those do. But as far as ease and low cost here, without having to try to come up with your own bait or anything, or touch any raunchy bait, just put water in it, and then when it's done, you just screw the top back on and throw it away. So it works. Clearly it works. There's all kinds of dead flies in there floating around. It is pretty gross.